Hi Skin Games, it's Kisha Hamilton, licensed esthetician in Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 7 of our holistic category with Yuritsi. This week we're starting off with microchanneling. But before we get started, I wanted to talk to you about why I chose to intentionally choose focusing on calming Yuritsi's nervous system with centering techniques and gentle lymphatic massage. With reactive skin, it's important that the body feels safe before initiating any controlled injury. When the nervous system is regulated, the skin responds more predictably and heals more efficiently. After thoroughly cleansing the skin and applying the topical numbing, I performed microchanneling using a stamping technique at a shallow depth of 0.25. I selected the conservative depth because Yuritsi has reactive skin and a history of erythema. My goal here was to stimulate collagen and elastin production without overstimulating the skin or increasing the risk of post-inflammatory erythema or hyperpigmentation. During the treatment, I infused the skin with recombinant growth factors, hyaluronic acid, and DNA repair enzymes. These ingredients were chosen to support fibroblast activity, encourage controlled wound healing, and assist with repairing cellular damage caused by previous inflammation and sun exposure. By delivering these ingredients directly into the microchannels, we're enhancing absorption and optimizing the skin's natural repair response. I limited the number of stamps per area and focused primarily on cheeks and temples where the atrophic scarring was most visible. This controlled approach allows us to improve texture gradually while respecting the skin's limits. Following microchanneling, blue LED light therapy was applied to calm inflammation, reduce acne-causing bacteria, and support post-treatment recovery. Blue light also helps minimize the risk of breakouts and excessive redness following stimulation. This treatment represents a major turning point in the case study. Microchanneling allows us to move beyond calming and maintenance and begin actively rebuilding the skin's structure, while still honoring Yuritsi's sensitivity and prioritizing long-term healing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Toodaloo.